Hello everyone, magluluto tayo ng stir-fried chicken with bell pepper, mushroom, French beans, onion, and garlic using the black beans garlic sauce. So, let's start cooking guys. So, yan ang ating lulutuin. Kunting mantika lang ang ating gamitin. So, lagay na natin yung onion. So, lagi ko inuuna yung onion sa pag-fry. I-fry lang ng konti. So, binigay na natin yung garlic. I-fry lang natin ng saglit. At ilagay natin sit aside. I-fry natin yung so yun guys, na-fry na natin yung chicken side by side. Na mawawala yung steam. I-sit aside natin. Ilagay natin yung mushroom dito. At i-fry din. So, na-fry na natin lahat. Pwede na natin haluin. Ayan guys, lagyan natin ng isang kutsara o 1 tablespoon of black soya beans. Yan ay black beans garlic. So, haluin natin yan. So guys, ilagay na natin ang bell pepper. Chicken and black beans garlic. Yeah. Thank you for watching guys.